Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best cordless drill to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Bosch cordless drill driver. The Bosch drill is one of only 3 models with a brushless motor in the general use category. That means the Bosch can deliver a tad more power than if it used a traditional, brushed, motor. It also means it will run longer on a charge and probably have a longer lifespan. The Bosch is highly rated for handling, too, because it weighs only 2 pounds, less than half the weight of a number of heavy-duty drills we tested. The slim pistol grip profile makes it easy to wield but also prevents it from standing upright when not in use. The compact size lets you maneuver the drill into the most awkward of positions and accommodates a built-in LED light and bit storage. Features: compact and versatile. Single-sleeve universal chuck with auto lock. Easy transportation and storage of bits. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the DEWALT Max cordless drill. The DEWALT cordless hammer drill features a smooth-running brushless motor. It provides 57% more runtime than the standard motor. It has 2-speed transmission that is high speed with 3 different drive modes. It comes with a half-inch ratcheting, keyless chuck. It has an ergonomic handle that ensures a better grip with a balanced feel. It feels super light and comfortable to use. The kit includes 2 XR lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and carry case that hold the entire kit, and in my opinion, it's the best 20-volt cordless drill for the money. Features: ergonomic comfort grip handle provides ideal balance and tool control. High-speed transmission. Metal half-inch ratcheting chuck for superior bit gripping strength. Coming up next. In third place we have the Makita cordless driver drill. This general use Makita is the 3rd brushless model in our general use category. It weighs just over 2 pounds and stands barely 6 inches tall. Despite its slim profile, the Makita drill aced our power test and packs a serious punch, making it a solid alternative to some of the larger 18 and 20 volt models. It doesn't rate as well as some others for runtime, but the kit comes with 2 batteries and a rapid charger, which tops off an empty battery in an impressive 60 minutes. Features: compact and ergonomic design. More efficiently for longer life. Brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy. Now moving to the number 4. Milwaukee's cordless compact drill. Milwaukee is a favorite brand among contractors for a reason. It makes powerful tools with pros in mind. The Milwaukee drill is no exception. It has an astonishing amount of power, it drives fasteners quickly, and it offers great runtime, thanks in part to massive batteries that are included. The trade-off is weight at 5 pounds. It's among the heaviest models here, making it best for serious users. The newest model in the US-made M18 series is equipped with the latest in brushless motor tech, which provides 50% more efficiency and twice the lifespan of your common or garden motor. It's also one of the smallest drill drivers on the market, and that means greater ease of use in confined spaces. Features: it's compact and lightweight. The ergonomic grips absorb shock. The auxiliary handle is removable. In the 5th position we have the Black & Decker cordless drill. This Black & Decker cordless drill is designed with lithium-ion technology and is ideal for drilling into wood, metal, plastic, and various screw-driving tasks. It provides excellent control and precision. Operating the device is very easy. It has just one speed and the only control you'll need to deal with is the on-off switch, so even a beginner to DIY or power tools should feel very comfortable wielding the drill. The Black & Decker 8V Max has a 2-year warranty. Features: ultra lightweight cordless drill, change bits easily, built-in battery. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best cordless drill. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.